Welcome to Math GPT. In this video, we will answer a question about unmanned aerial view drones. The question asks which statement is not accurate about the retailers of these drones or the buyers of these drones. To solve this, we need a clear checklist of what is generally true for retailers and for buyers. Then we can test statements against that checklist. First, let's build a simple comparison chart. On the left, we'll list common responsibilities of retailers. On the right, we'll list common responsibilities of buyers. This will give us a mental checklist to test each statement we see. Here is our chart. Let's add 3 typical retailer facts, and now 3 typical buyer facts. As you watch, notice that our checklist is about common expectations in many regions. Specific rules can vary by country, but these general ideas are usually true. Now, let's practice with example statements. The goal is to find the one that is not accurate. We'll check each statement against our chart. Statement 1. Retailers should provide product specifications and warranty information. This matches the retailer checklist, so it is accurate. Statement 2. Buyers never need to check flight restrictions or registration rules. This conflicts with our buyer checklist. In many regions, buyers must check flight rules and may need to register or label their drone. So this statement is not accurate. Statement 3. Buyers should compare camera specs, battery life, and warranty before purchasing. This aligns with our buyer checklist and is accurate. So the incorrect statement is statement 2. Let's recap slowly. We built a checklist of typical responsibilities. Retailers usually provide specifications, warranty information, and safety guidance. Buyers usually check flight rules, register if required, and compare features. Using that checklist, the statement that is not accurate is the one claiming buyers never need to check rules or registration. That is generally false. If you are given multiple choice options, compare each option to the checklist. The one that contradicts these common responsibilities is the incorrect choice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.